All right, welcome back to Mayday Part 3. All right, anyways, as I've said, the shop's a little bit too messy and, well, not, it's just cluttered. We just got too much stuff. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is get this guy in here. She's so dead, there's no lights on. So we're gonna get a new battery. Just flip it around for you. So we're gonna replace this battery underneath this little junction box here. Then I'll pull the T-Bird out of here. That way we can bring the Jeep in more. We've got more room to work. We're taking the WJ and go get a battery. All right, new battery is in. Yes, it's just a never start. All right, we're back from Walmart. Anyways, we're gonna throw this battery in. I'm gonna have to go ahead and plug the brake line for the Jeep. And I'm gonna actually go ahead and pull that drive line like I didn't want to, but that's okay. We're probably just gonna swap that U-joint out anyways while we're doing that. So it's a good thing. So let's drop that drive line, plug the brake hose. We're gonna pull this Jeep out. Doors opening now. So let's pull the Jeep out here. We're gonna pull the ZJ out. We're relying solely on the front brakes. So let's get this on out of here and parked, and we'll be good. All right, now that the Beetle is out, we're gonna go ahead and drop the Big Bird down. All right, sweet, we're down. I'm gonna get her fired up real quick, get her just warmed up a little bit. I'll show you that, since who doesn't want to see, right? So let's get her fired up. We'll pour her out of the shop, get the hoist all the way back to the top this time instead of about here. That way I can pull the Jeep all the way in, and we'll just work inside the shop from now on. So, all right, let's get at it. All right, here's a close-up of the engine real quick.
Look, there's AC delete. There's nothing about this engine but the right pedal.
It's all gas and a little bit of brakes. I think I put that on there, what, 2 years ago already. All right, let's get in, let's fire it up. Been sitting for a while, but it takes a little bit of skill to get this bitch going. Pardon my language. But yeah, we put the B&M in here. Soon here I'm going to be taking out this cracked clock, and I'll put the tachometer in here. We'll get a shift light mounted somewhere that's not god awful ugly and doesn't mess up the dash. So, but yeah, here's Big Bird. All right, she's ready. This always gives me such high anxiety just bringing her down. If you can see the mirror, we gotta watch out for the Jeep on that side. Watch out for everything else on this side. And then we're just gonna go all the way back and out. think we found our resting point right next to the Jeep. And let's hear those pipes. Alrighty. We're gonna get some more content going on this soon, don't worry. I just gotta get my Jeep figured out first, get it all squared away, and we'll get taking care of this. Alright, everything's out of here. Lift's going up. As you can see, here's part of my mess. That's actually not even my mess, but I'm gonna clean up for them. Get everything cleaned up around the shop. That way I've got more working room. That way you guys can actually see what the heck we're doing here. And plus we got so much more going on that we're gonna do in the shop. It's summertime, so let's bring it up. Oh yeah, and obviously missing some of the shop space because we've got the camper in here. And that takes up literally half of the shop. So let's get a better angle because we're gonna bring the Jeep in. All right, we got her in now. This is gonna be a lot better because, as you can see, we are just clearing the rails. So we're gonna be able to go up until, yeah, basically until the roof of the Jeep. Jack it all the way up as high as I can get it. That way we got plenty of room under there. If I can stupid again. And then we'll go ahead and redo this. Restart taking it out, because right now she's just sitting in there with control arms and shocks. So it shouldn't be too much longer. Axle will come out and we'll get mocking on this. But first we're gonna get under there and get our pinion angles before we get anything else done. And that is all on our third day of mayhem. We're just basically getting stuff ready for the whole month. Basically everything I'm doing this month is to get ready for the summer. Summer's coming up. My birthday's in the end of July, so I really want this Jeep ready to go. Take out, going on a big trip, go camping, bring the quad, go out to, I don't even know where I want to go yet, honestly. But I'd like to have a big camping trip for my birthday. So I'm just getting everything ready. As you see, shop is all cleared up. Way more working space. And as you can see, we got our list still going. Bench is a little bit cleared off. That's for later. This guy, we'll show you this later. Iron Rock Off-Road, that's our, I'm not even gonna spoiler alert anymore. We got some goodies to show you, so hang out. Let's check out what we got going on tomorrow. I'll be back in the shop like always this whole month basically. We'll just be plucking away, doing what we can, getting as much as we can on the Jeep and the Ranger, because as we know, we got to put that bumper on the Ranger eventually. And it is sitting right there. So I got to get that mounted up, and I think I found out, I think I was telling you already in the last video, I think I found out a proper mounting system that we're going to be able to make work. Oh, sorry, excuse my hand. I think I found a proper mounting system that we'll be able to make work for that system. So we'll get a pretty new nose for the Ranger, not the Jeep. It'll match the Jeep. Then we'll go ahead and either fix one of our worn winches that are sitting here, not well, worn and worn out. That, or I'll just go order up another CSI one, Competition Specialties, because that's what I've got on here. It's all set up with the fair lead and everything, all synthetic rope. That's the 9,500 pound Brute Series. So, yep, she'll be looking like that soon on the Ranger. Stay tuned for more.